Hey, Good Hope. My name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video, I'm gonna show you three things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business online. I do this because I know that many times business owners are usually too busy running their business to look into all the tools and things that are available to them um, on the internet that can help their business. And they found that giving out free information um, oftentimes it lets business owners know that if they need help in this area, in some of these areas, then they have someone that they can turn to. Okay, the three things I wanted to talk about are content, citation, and backlinks. Now, the content is anything on your homepage, but when Google optimizes a website, it's reading your word content. And to fully optimize it, it's better to have like at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. But also in that content, you want to include words that are going to be used in searches that is going to cause your site to be found. And these we call keywords. I did a word count on your homepage. You have 1,380 words. Okay, now this is the website of one of your top competitors. Now their website was found on the first page of a Google search. I did a word count on their homepage, and they have 1,770 words on their homepage. As I mentioned before, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches cause your site to be found. Okay, now this is a tool here that I use called Ahrefs. And in this tool, it gives you background details of what Google uses when it's ranking a website. Now this is I ran your competitor's website through Ahrefs, and what we came up with is they've been found for 43 organic keywords. Another thing this tool shows me is the backlinks. So you can see here, they also have 505 backlinks linking back to their site. Now, what a backlink is, it's when another site links to another site online, and it gives the site being linked to what we call authority. So the more sites you have linking to your site gives you more authority, and it's the authority that the higher authority you have is going to rank your site higher. Okay, now this is your website in Ahrefs. As you can see, there's no keywords that your site is being found for, and you have only 44 backlinks. So what can be done here? This is an opportunity for both keywords and backlinks. The keywords we can find out, we can actually see what keywords that they are being found for, and we can have your put those keywords in your content on your homepage. And then also for the backlinks, we can see exactly what sites are linking back to their site, and then we could get those same sites to link back to your site. But then in addition to that, we can get even more backlinks linking back to your site, which would actually give you more authority than your competitor. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks. Now I have here the results of a Google search, and over here we have what we call our organic listing, and then over here is the map section or the map pack. And what a citation is your name, address, or business name, address, and phone number, which is also known as a NAM. Now, if I click on here in the map section, this shows the name, name. When we come down here, we see the address and the phone number, and that is what's known as a NAP. And the important thing about the NAP is you want to have it listed in online directories. Okay, these are some of the top directories that your NAP could be listed in. But in addition to these, there's still a couple of hundred other online directories that your NAP could be listed in. So what could be done in this case is there's a site called Bright Local, and on that site you can see exactly what directories that your competitor's NAP is listed in, and we could match that for you, and you'd have those same you'd be in those same directories, but in addition to that, get your NAP listed in even more directories, which would give your site more relevance in when Google is optimizing a site. Okay, well that's it in a nutshell. We went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, but included in those words, you want to have keywords or words that are going to be used in searches that's going to cause your site to be found. And then we went over backlinks. A backlink, we want to get more backlinks linking back to your site than your competitors. So you can beat out your competitors by having more backlinks linking back to your site. And then we went over citations. You want to get your citation, you want to get your NAP listed in more directories than your competitors. And if you do these three things, it will push your ranking, your ranking for your site up to the first page. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I've showed you some things that you can use and take advantage of. And these are things that you could do on your own, or if you choose to do it yourself, that's okay. But if you want a quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call. My name is Don Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and again, my number is 714-473-0269. You have a great day.